Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change or adjust mouse pointer speed Windows 11, 10. Click Start, Settings, click Devices, click Mouse. Click Additional Mouse Settings. Click Pointer Options, change mouse pointer speed under Motion Settings. You can also go to mouse settings via type main.cpl in Windows search bar, click main.cpl. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.